Hazrat Ali described about a successful person as qaddaru rajuli ala qadri himmatehi. A person's valuableness corresponds to kharaj. Qimato kulli mri'in ma yusinohu. Every person's valuableness is according to his skill. He said, "Fi taqallubil ahwali ilmu jawahir rijal." The essence of man is revealed in the reversal of circumstances. Halakam ruvun lam yarif qadrahu. One who doesn't recognize his value perishes. He mentioned the best way to revenge the enemy is to increase one's qualities. It is narrated, the hardest jobs are for the best people because they keep guts to tackle them. He further described the person who keeps morals up and covers high grades is praised, and one who walks briskly on his way finds comfortable destination. He advised, "Iyaka wal ujlata bil amuri qabla awaniha." Don't hurry up before time for a task. وَتَسَاقَطُوا فِيهَا إِزْرَ إِمْكَانِهَا, and don't show cowardice at the appointed time. He further said, "Man qassara fil amali butuliya bilham." One who neglects to act suffers in sorrow.